Allison Bouchard with the Thorn Collection in Coldwell Banker, and I'm here at 1348 Playmoor Drive in Highlands of Innisbrook, home of the PGA Valspar Championship in Palm Harbor, Florida. I'd love to give you a tour of this single-family custom home. Come on in. Quality craftsmanship is everywhere in this home, including this custom two-story library that's a perfect spot to relax, enjoy your morning cup of coffee, and your favorite book. After a long day of golfing, you're probably ready to come take a dip in this beautiful pool with 2 waterfalls and spa to relax. And when you get hungry, you can head on over to your outdoor kitchen and grill your favorite meal. From the location, the custom features, and the incredible amenities, this house is for sure a hole-in-one.